You say your papa was the best president. Okay, after 2 years, tell me the thing of what you do. Hunger, 1 kilo of food, to buy food, and luxury. One more. This is not total wickedness. Your papa will be the best president. To buy your food, luxury, 1 kids, 40K, fish net, 25K. Also go, also come. But you know, firewood, parent work every day. They still don't feel pay school fees. Inflation for the nation. Nigerians don't feel function. Hey, papa, hey, papa, country. Hey, papa, hey, papa, people die. Hey, papa, hey, this one don't pass like a jaga, yama.
No food, no lights, and Christmas. So what are you doing in the office? What are you doing there? Hey, keep on flying abroad, no hospital, no good work, no water, no security. Injustice everywhere. Injustice everywhere. And people are fucking happy. People are happy there. People are saying this is there's nothing to try. There's nothing to try.
We can see so far now that despite the attempt to disrupt this protest, especially Commissioner of Police in Lagos State and his machinations over the last 48 hours to make sure that this protest does not hold, we are here. They even have out their sponsored agents. Despite the fact that the Lagos State government is saying that processions will only hold in certain restricted places, and those of us activists who are protesting outside of those restricted places that we are breaking the law. Today you can see members of the APC in their gaps, in their face caps, also here at Deji Adeyanju, also at different parts of the state, violating the same rule that the city claims we are violating. What does that tell you? It tells you that all these are machinations to keep people from resisting. And despite all of that, I'm very much happy today that Nigerians in their numbers have proved that. Of course, the number could have been much more than this if there was no intimidation. But we are happy that at least a number of people still came out in their, courageous to resist the attempt to curtail our freedom of assembly. So the protest is still ongoing. We'll ensure that we march up to the Ganifa Park of Jota. And on the way, we are going to touch different parts of Lagos to address Nigerians and Lagosians about the significance of it. Nobody can stop us. We've already won the secret. Nobody can stop it. This is a human trait. This is a movement of the Nigerian people saying enough is enough to hardship, enough is enough to dictatorship. Nothing can stop this. Nothing can stop this. Thank you.
1,000. Fufu, 1,000.
How would someone be eating rice, curry and rice and is this ube?
Ube
and fufu? Because there is nothing, there is no money to buy food.
Almost 10,000.
These are expensive.
I cannot afford it.
These
I cannot afford it.
They are fucking expensive. To feed is a trouble in Nigeria. My mother rent now has been doubled.
Get out of me.
My rent. Where am I staying? Just one room. Just one room.
Yeah,
I am not conducive. The place is not even conducive for me. But what can I do? What can I do? I have to pay if I don't want to move out from the place, because getting houses now is very, very expensive. Everything is expensive. 2 years ago, my sister died in the hospital. We were supposed to take her for scan in General Hospital Ikorodu. And when we were going, because she could not walk again, she was using oxygen to breathe. And when we were going on the road, the oxygen stopped after paying for it. We pay for food in General Hospital. It's supposed to be free, it's supposed to be public hospital. We pay for food, we pay for bed, we pay literally for everything in the hospital, and we call it General Hospital. Why is it called General Hospital? She died. TINUBU, the president of Nigeria, should make things easy for us. It should make sure that it decreases everything from foodstuffs to electricity to house rent. Talk to all the landlords. The landlords are increasing house rent because they too cannot survive. Many of them. So that's
After 1 year, it's by change.
We started the protest at Ikorodu on that. We are going to terminate it at a place that is not part of that Jankara restriction order. To demonstrate to you that when you don't respect your own law, we are going to show to you also now respect it. That court order you have against me and others, come and implement it starting from 6 a.m. tomorrow. We are ready for you. We are lawyers. But we will tell you when you arrest us. You must arrest the chairman of FCT in Lagos State. Did you hear what I said? When you arrest me for violating that order, you must pick up the chairman of APC in Lagos State. It is myself and him who has violated that Jankara order. And that is what we have to say today. So, comrades, our rally will go on. Spend as long as we want here. They are trying to use their sound system to block our ear, but do not mind them. It depends them. That is why.
If they sweet us, they pay them. If they sweet us, they pay them. If they sweet us, after they sweet us, they pay them.
Do you know what? We thank God for the extent we have achieved today. And there is need for all of us to understand that it does not end here. You need to be